Let's create circular progress chart. This data series is called Data Visualization Series Part 19, and we are going to create such chart. And the best part is that I have used random function, which will return 0% to 100%. In other words, it can be decimal also, 0.1 to 1, right? So every time when I change the value, automatically the value will get changed. For example, let's say here 85% and 7% you have. Let me introduce the data set. What I have to do is that I have to have two data set. One is the value. So in order to create the chart, such chart, I need donut chart. I need some 10 values. So I have given here. And then this is a two field I have. One is the remaining percentage. In other words, residual percentage. For example, my target is 100%. 100 minus the actual percentage is a residual percentage. And but we want to capture keenly on the actual percentage. This is the actual percentage, 31, and it will automatically get updated. So you can see here every time when I just select this value, automatically the dynamically the values are getting updated. How to do such a right? To do that, we need just 5 steps, right? One, to have the value as I described, and then select the donut chart. And donut chart, we are going to keep it only secondary axis and to display the actual percentage. And then have the just copy paste the second one and then do a formatting to get this one, right? I have used a random function, but if you would like to use your actual data and your actual data will get represent and that actual data can be linked to some other cells so that every time you will get the actual value as such. So let's go ahead and create this as a demo. What I've done, I have another tab without this chart. The chart we are going to do it now. Okay. The same value I'm going to select, go to insert, go to donut chart, and the donut chart is ready now. So you can see here, this donut chart, we don't need all these value. For example, we don't need this, we don't need value at all. So donut chart slightly looks better and bigger. And all I'm doing it, this is a great tips in chart preparation. For example, if I want another, this is the one axis, I wanted to add another axis. So all I need to do is that select this data, copy. When you say Control C, what Excel will do is that it will replicate the same function. Let's say I'm just keeping here. So automatically the secondary axis is getting added. You don't need to go and add it in the axis. Rather, you can directly add it like this. So by giving Control C and Control V, and when you paste the value in the chart, automatically the secondary axis also will get access. Let's say I have a third axis. I'll do the same thing, Control C and Control V. It will just replicate the third axis also as well. So this is the one tips here. Okay, let's go ahead and create and modify this chart to look exactly same as a circular progress chart. So to do that, just click on the chart and go to so design. In the design, you have a chart data type. In the chart data type, click on combo. So it is returning that as a different chart, right? So, but we need only the donut chart. So keep it donut. Here also keep it donuts. And we are going to keep it only the secondary axis. So as a second value, right? The one we have keeping only for reference purpose, but we can keep it like this. Okay. Now this is been done. Now the color alone we can change it. So the remaining I'll give light green and then actual I can give it dark green, right? So what I can do is that so I can give light green here. Just select this whole value, whole chart, and then I'm just giving light green. So the first thing is that we can give no fill and then we can give no line and then we can give it this color. Just click on this color and we can give light green as such. Now the actual percentage is this piece, right? So this chunk is our actual piece. For actual piece, we can probably give, dark version. Maybe I will give dark of this and maybe I can slightly increase the transparency also so that it will look greater, right? I'm just increasing the transparency so that maybe up to 20% I can give. Okay. I'll keep it like only 20%. Now you see this magic. So every time the value get changed, automatically this will get updated, right? So one more thing what I can do is that I can just copy and paste this as a text value. I don't need this hanging like filled one and all that. So I'm gonna give like no fill and no borders, no line, everything. So now this has given this. The transparency looks to be slightly higher, but what I can do is that I can still reduce this transparency because the color looks to be different one. So I will keep it only this one. This is enough for me. Okay. So the donut chart is perfectly ready. All we need to do is that we need to sync that value here. Okay. So donut is ready now. So all we need to do is that we need to sync the value. So right. So this 61 should come here. All you need to do is that go to insert and go to text, right? Click here. For example, click here equal to. Okay, just a minute. So what we can do is that. So just go to insert and have this shape. I'm gonna keep it like some value. So, but we can just change it later. So here we can put like equal to, and this is the actual value, right? Okay, let us go ahead and do it one. It is asking for reference, so let's give as a text, so it will be easy for us. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Very simple. I'm giving equal to here, and then I'm just giving this range value. Okay, once it is been done, you can just drag it here. You can just drag it here, and now every time dynamically when I change, the value will get updated. So let's try this one. I'm just giving some values here. 65%, perfectly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 65%. Let's say, let's give manual value. Some values I'm giving it like 20% example. It will be only two will be filled. Let's say I'm just giving like 75, like one third of the donut will be filled, right? Two, one fourth of the donut will be filled, right? And then let me introduce here function called random function. Now you can see the match. 89. And every time when you do that, the value will get updated, chart will get updated. 24, 85, 7%, and 62, and so on. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel. You have a wonderful day.